Ranco was industry that was in Plain City decades ago and was a large part of Plain City's history. Once they left, it just sat vacant and kind of an eyesore at the moment.
Ohio EPA, US EPA have been working to clean up, remediate, and redevelop that site.
The EPA is able to come along and provide technical assistance through the Brownfields program, and then we're able to provide funding.
It's fully remediated and ready for industrial, commercial, or recreational use.
We'll continue to be there, continue to make sure the land is safe for the residents of the community for whatever the future holds.
The site will be home to a future park and recreation space. This space will really help fit a growing need in our community.
That's the work that we're committed to doing every single day.
Working with the Ohio EPA has been great. The revitalization of this site is very exciting.
Yeah, we're really looking forward to getting this 66 acres back and being productive for the community. It's going to provide a great recreational space for our residents that live here in the area.
It's an incredible collaboration, and again, cooperative federalism at its finest.
And it's absolutely the work that we do across Ohio to benefit all Ohioans every day.